video that shows how well the hole punch works with the soft strap. So I'll punch one piece of strapping and then I'll punch two pieces, and then I'll show you a couple of the hole sizes. I just have the one size, the 5/32 punch, and it seems to be the correct size for all my harness parts for my ponies. I do have a large horse Winker Stay in Chic, and it has the same size holes too, so I'll show you that. So anyway, first I'll punch the holes and then I'll show you the hole sizes. Okay, I'll punch one strap. Then I'll punch two. This is a large horse head stall for a horse. And you can see the size of the holes. They're the same size that I just punched. It's hard to see holes in this. The size of the holes are the same that I just punched. Here's a small pony bridle or a mini C bridle. And again, the holes, they're the same size that I just punched. So again, this is the hole punch. 5/32 is the size of the punch, and that seems to fit most of the holes I have, except for the buckling end of my traces. I would need a little bigger punch for that, or I could just punch 3 times or something. But anyway, I had people asking how well this punch works and how easy it is, so I thought I would just put this video together. Thanks so much for watching.